Did you know your trusted anti-aging cream might actually be aging your skin faster? It sounds shocking, but the very products we rely on to keep us looking young could be doing the opposite. Every day, millions of people apply creams and serums hoping for smoother, firmer skin, without realizing what's really inside those glossy jars. Many popular products contain harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, parabens, and alcohols that can irritate, dry, and weaken your skin. These ingredients are often added to extend shelf life or create a pleasant scent, but they come at a cost to your skin's health. Instead of helping, these ingredients can break down your skin's natural barrier, leaving it vulnerable to damage and premature aging. Over time, your skin may lose its ability to retain moisture, making it more prone to fine lines, wrinkles, and environmental stressors. The result? Redness, sensitivity, and a cycle of buying more products to fix the problems the last one caused. It's a frustrating loop that leaves many people feeling helpless and confused about what's truly best for their skin. The global anti-aging market is worth billions, but are you really getting results? With so many options and bold claims, it's easy to get swept up in the promise of youth in a bottle. Most people are left disappointed, with the same fine lines and less money in their wallets. The hope for transformation often fades, replaced by frustration and skepticism. The truth, expensive creams often do more harm than good. Pricey packaging and celebrity endorsements don't guarantee safety or effectiveness. Some even trigger allergic reactions or chronic skin issues. For those with sensitive skin, the wrong product can mean weeks of discomfort and damage. Temporary plumping is often just inflammation, not true youthfulness. That instant glow might be your skin reacting to irritation, not a sign of real improvement. It's time to look past the marketing and focus on what truly nourishes your skin. Learning to read ingredient lists and understanding what your skin actually needs is the first step toward real results. The answer isn't in a fancy jar, but in understanding what your skin really needs. Simplicity and gentle care can often do more than the most expensive cream. We need to be smarter, more informed consumers. By educating ourselves and sharing knowledge, we can break free from the cycle of disappointment. Let's stop falling for empty promises and start seeking real, gentle solutions. Your skin deserves better than a quick fix or a marketing gimmick. The best answer might be simpler and more natural than you think. Sometimes, the most effective skincare is about nourishing, protecting, and respecting your skin's natural balance. When creams and lotions fail to deliver the dramatic results we crave, many people start searching for more drastic solutions. That's when options like Botox, fillers, or expensive serums start to look appealing. A quick fix that promises to erase years in just minutes. Botox and fillers are often marketed as miracle workers, offering instant smoothing of wrinkles and plumping of the skin. But these treatments come at a steep price, not just financially but also in terms of commitment and potential side effects. They're expensive, temporary, and require you to keep coming back for more. Each session can cost hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars, and the effects only last a few months. This creates a cycle where you're constantly chasing the next appointment, never truly breaking free from the need for another injection or touch-up. Beyond the cost, there's the risk of side effects, bruising, swelling, and sometimes that unmistakable frozen look that can make expressions seem unnatural. For some, these side effects can linger, affecting confidence and comfort. High-end serums, meanwhile, are often sold with bold claims and luxurious packaging. But if you look closely at the ingredients, you'll find that many contain the same basic components as their more affordable counterparts. The difference is often just the branding and the price tag. The truth is, none of these options, no matter how advanced or expensive, actually address the root causes of aging skin. They're designed to mask the symptoms, not to nourish or strengthen your skin from within. So while you might see temporary improvements, the underlying issues remain. These quick fixes don't improve your skin's true health or resilience, and disappointment often follows when the results fade. Real, lasting youthfulness comes from nourishing your skin, supporting it with the right nutrients, hydration, and care. It's about building a foundation for healthy skin, not just covering up lines and wrinkles. Relying on external fixes is like painting over a crack in the wall without repairing the foundation underneath. The problem might disappear for a while, but it always comes back, often worse than before. Sooner or later, the signs of aging return, and you're left searching for the next solution, stuck in a never-ending loop. Instead of chasing temporary fixes, it's time to focus on what truly supports your skin's health and vitality. Natural, nourishing approaches can help your skin look and feel its best for years to come. The best results come from working with your body, not against it, embracing routines and products that enhance your skin's natural abilities to repair and renew. Don't let clever marketing or celebrity endorsements convince you that only expensive or invasive treatments can deliver real results. There are smarter, more sustainable ways to care for your skin. By choosing a holistic, thoughtful approach, you can achieve healthy, radiant skin that lasts. Let's explore how you can make this transformation, starting today. Meet Susan, a woman in her late 40s who tried everything to fight aging. She spent a fortune on luxury creams but, after months, saw no real change. Discouraged, she turned to Botox, thrilled at first but soon felt her expressions were unnatural. When the effects faded, her wrinkles seemed even more pronounced. Susan realized she was trapped in a cycle of costly, temporary fixes. She wanted something that worked with her body, not against it. Her story is a reminder: expensive and popular doesn't mean effective. Many people feel disconnected from their own faces after these treatments. The real solution is about nourishing your skin, not masking symptoms. Susan's journey highlights the need for a natural, sustainable approach. It's time to break free from the treadmill of endless products and procedures. There's a better way to age beautifully. What if the secret to youthful skin isn't in a lab, but in a humble plant? Enter castor oil. Used for centuries by ancient civilizations, castor oil was prized for its healing and beautifying powers. Today, it's making a comeback as people rediscover its benefits. Castor oil is affordable, accessible, and backed by both tradition and science. Its magic lies in its unique composition, especially ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid. Ricinoleic acid gives castor oil powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It calms irritation, reduces redness, and helps fight blemishes. Unlike expensive creams, castor oil penetrates deeply, delivering nutrients where your skin needs them most. It hydrates from within, promoting a plump, dewy look. One simple ingredient can replace a shelf full of complicated products. This isn't just a trend, it's a return to smarter, holistic self-care. Castor oil is nature's gift for healthy, youthful skin. Let's bring this ancient secret back into the spotlight. Castor oil is often called nature's Botox, but it works differently and more naturally. It stimulates your skin's own production of collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm and elastic. As we age, these proteins decline, leading to sagging and wrinkles. Massaging castor oil into your skin helps kickstart their production again. Over time, you'll notice softer lines and firmer, more resilient skin. Castor oil is also a powerful moisturizer, drawing in and locking moisture to keep skin plump and glowing. Its antioxidants, like vitamin E, protect against free radicals, those unstable molecules that speed up aging. By applying castor oil, you're shielding your skin from future damage. The result: healthier, more youthful skin from the inside out. It's not a quick fix, but a sustainable, long-term solution. No needles, no chemicals, just pure natural care. One bottle, countless benefits. That's the science and the beauty of castor oil. How does castor oil transform your skin? First, its anti-inflammatory powers calm redness and puffiness, especially under the eyes. It soothes irritation and helps even out your skin tone. Massaging castor oil boosts circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your skin for a healthy glow. Better blood flow means better cell turnover and stronger skin. Castor oil also helps detoxify, drawing out impurities and keeping pores clear. This reduces breakouts and lets your skin breathe. Its unique fatty acids can fade scars and dark spots, promoting new, healthy skin. Consistent use leads to a brighter, more even complexion. It's gentle, effective, and works with your skin's natural processes. No harsh chemicals, just deep, nourishing care. The result? Fresh, revitalized skin that looks and feels younger. That's the magic of castor oil. Ready to try castor oil? Here's how to use it safely and effectively. Choose 100% pure, organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. Always do a patch test first. Apply a small amount to your inner arm and wait 24 hours for any reaction. Once cleared, start with a clean face. Warm a tiny amount of oil between your fingers and gently massage onto your face and neck in upward, circular motions. Focus on areas with fine lines or dryness. Because castor oil is thick, you can dilute it with a lighter oil like jojoba or almond if you prefer. Leave it on overnight for deep hydration, or use as a 20-minute treatment and wipe off excess. Adjust the routine to suit your skin's needs. A little goes a long way, don't overdo it. Consistency is key for best results. Enjoy the ritual and notice the transformation. Simple, safe, and effective. Let's take a closer look at how castor oil stacks up against other popular anti-aging options on the market today. With so many choices out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But understanding the differences can help you make the best decision for your skin. High-end creams often come with a hefty price tag and are packed with synthetic ingredients, preservatives, and fragrances that can irritate sensitive skin. In contrast, castor oil is pure, natural, and incredibly affordable, making it accessible for everyone who wants real results without breaking the bank. Botox and other injectables are not only expensive, but their effects are temporary and sometimes leave you with an unnatural appearance. Castor oil, on the other hand, supports your skin's health from within, encouraging real, lasting improvements that look and feel natural. Many fancy serums boast about their active ingredients, but often contain only small amounts mixed with fillers. Castor oil is nearly 90% ricinoleic acid, a potent, proven ingredient that deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin, without unnecessary extras. There are no fillers, no artificial fragrances, and no gimmicks, just nature's best, straight from the source. It's a simple formula that stood the test of time. With castor oil, you're not just covering up imperfections, you're investing in your skin's long-term health. Over time, you'll notice your skin becoming softer, more supple, and naturally radiant. Using castor oil is more than just a beauty routine, it's a self-care ritual you control, right in the comfort of your own home. No appointments, no needles, just you and your skin. While most modern solutions focus on fighting the signs of aging, castor oil helps your skin age gracefully, supporting its natural processes, and enhancing your unique beauty at every stage of life. It's about working with your body, not against it, embracing what makes you, and nurturing your skin with gentle, holistic care. The difference is clear. Gentle, holistic care with castor oil versus expensive temporary fixes that may not deliver what they promise. The choice is more than skin deep. Castor oil is also a sustainable, empowering choice, good for your skin and kinder to the planet, with minimal packaging and a low environmental impact. Generations have trusted castor oil for its remarkable benefits. It stood the test of time for a reason, passed down from mothers to daughters. For authentic, lasting results, nature wins every time. The choice is yours. Embrace the power of simplicity and let your natural beauty shine. Why not choose simple, effective, and natural? Your skin deserves the very best. We've explored the pitfalls of expensive creams and procedures, and discovered a powerful, natural alternative. Castor oil isn't just a product, it's a philosophy of self-care and simplicity. It nourishes your skin, restores its glow, and empowers you to take control of your beauty routine. People who make the switch report softer skin, faded lines, and a new sense of confidence. The ritual itself is calming and rewarding. You're not chasing empty promises, you're investing in your well-being. My challenge: try high-quality castor oil for 1 month. Take a before photo and see the difference for yourself. You risk little but stand to gain so much. Step off the treadmill of expensive, ineffective products. Embrace the power of this humble golden oil. Subscribe for more natural beauty tips, and start your transformation today. You deserve to look and feel your best, naturally.